Hi, my name is Mary Loring, and my final project is a board game called Shape Safari. So for this game, you have the board game itself, you have a dice, you have the characters, so you can play with 2 to 4 players, and then you have a deck of cards, and each character has a shape on its belly. So the giraffe has a triangle, the tiger has a circle, the monkey is a star, and then the elephant has a square. So based on your character that you choose, the child will draw a card based on their according shapes. So say I choose to be the giraffe. I am going to roll my dice, and I land on a 6. So I'm going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and then I draw a triangle card. This one asks how many sides are on the triangle. The child would count 1, 2, 3. If they get it right, then they can stay. If not, then they have to go back. Then you would continue, someone else. Elephant has the square, so I'm going to move 1, 2, 3. I'm going to draw the square, and it says point to something in the room that has a square shape. So then the child would point to this book, for example, which is a square. They would get it right, they would get to stay. If they don't get it right, then the parent or the child supervisor could explain something that does have that shape, and then they would have to go back. And the whole goal is to try and get your character to their house first, and each character has their own home based on their shape. So a circle hut, or a circle cave, a square hut, the triangle tree house, and then the star canopy. And that's the objective of the game. And then you can even point, some of the cards say, which house does your animal live in based on the shape? So you would have the child point to whichever house that they belong to. That one was for the tiger, so then they would have the circle and they would point to the circle cave. And that is my game.